Hi everyone, Frances again here from York County Library in South Carolina, and I'm here to do the last Lego tutorial for this year. So the next time we see each other, it will be 2021. Wow. So today's Lego build is Santa stuck in a chimney. It's really cute. It's a lot of parts and there's a list at the end. So let's begin. So we're going to start with a 4 by 8 white plate. And we have a 2 by 3 brown brick, a 2 by 2 brown brick, and another 2 by 3 brown brick. So then 2 by 4 brown brick. So 2 by 3 brown, 2 by 4 brown, 1 by 2 brown. We're building our chimney. Now we have another 2 by 4, 2 by 4. Next row is a 2 by 2 brown and 2 by 6 brown. Now, the next piece, if you have a 4 by 10 plate, I did not. So I have a 2 by 4 white plate, a 2 by 6 white plate, and a 2 by 10 white plate. So we're going to put one like that, and then the 2 by 6 like that, and then the 2 by 10. There's our completed chimney. Now, two by 2 red, and there's 2 by 2 space here, there, and there. Then we put another 2 by 2 red on top. Then we go to 2 by 2 white, 2 by 2 black, and lastly on top, 2 by 4 black. There you have Santa stuck in a chimney. But our last two pieces are to give it the look of snow on the roof. I think this is really funny. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next year.